Hello, welcome to Cantonese home video, beginner level. So this is our 18th video. I'm going to teach you time telling. So it's quite special because Cantonese people, when we describe time, we will use another way, not the same with the Mandarin speaking people. All right, so let's take a look. All right, so we have two words. Điểm, gì. Okay, as you can see, điểm is 1 điểm, 1 o'clock, 1 điểm. And gì is means 5 minutes. For example, I want to say 1:05, 1:05. I would say 1 điểm, 1個字. Alright, so the idea is like this. I'll illustrate it a little bit more. Alright, so see here. Điểm. Second tone. 10 điểm. 10 分. 10分. We can say 10分. Fun is 1 minute. Okay, 10分, 10 minutes. 兩個字, that is 10 minutes. Alright, so in 1 hour, how many 字 there? Alright, so there will be 12個字, right? 60 minutes. 好，一個字、兩個字、三個字、四個字、五個字、六個字。That is how we see the clock and we share the time. For example, now is 1:30. So 30 would be 六個字. So 30 minutes. But when we say 1:30, we won't say 1點6個字. Alright, so let's see why. Alright, 5 minutes. What I have said, 一個字 is 5 minutes. We need the 個 measure word for that. 8點1個字. You can choose two ways. You can just read the clock 8點1 8點1 8點2 8點3. Or you can say 一個字 8點1個字 8點2個字 8點3個字. So two ways. Alright, 8點1 or 8點1個字. Alright, more. Okay, so see, 8點30分. We cannot say 8點6個字. We'll say 8點半. So the idea is just to make things simpler. I don't know if you think it's simpler, but to me, 8點1 is easier to say than 8點05分 or 8點10分. So 8點2 is easier. For English speaker, then you can only say 8:10. Oh, but it's quite easy, by the way. 8:10, 10 minutes part 8. Alright, so 8點15分. 8點3 4 5 8點半 8點7 8點8 8點10 8點11. So we do not have 8點12. Alright, that would be 9點. So let's do exercise. So this video is pretty short, but I hope that you learn this new idea so you can tell your friends about how particular Cantonese would use to describe time, to tell people the time. 3點 3點半 6點 2 7點 11. Wow, I have to calculate as well. 7點11. Let's have some random. Okay, so okay. Oops. What about this one? So you think, and I'll tell you. So we would not say this style like 14點 say in it's only French people will say it. Alright, so 呢個係11點2 or 11點 兩個字。12:10 12:10個字。2:2 sorry no 2:4 2:4個字。Alright, okay, so the last one is, what time do you have your lunch? For me today is 12:2, which means 10 past 12. 係啦，12:2。What time do you go to work? I start working at 9, or like 5 minutes before 9, so it's 8:11 8:55. What time do you have your dinner? Always 7:4 7 o'clock 20 minutes 7:4. What time is it now? Yeah, it's in the afternoon. 1:7 right? So it's 1:35 1:7. You may say, well, if I say 1.7, how can we say 1.7 in Cantonese? It's also 1.7 alright, but it's pretty clear. We won't mix them up, so don't worry about this. Okay, so how many questions you are correct? We'll stop here. So next video is about unit of time, like minutes, second, day and night. Okay, so see you next video. The PDF, all this content, I will upload to the online Google Classroom. So if you like this course, you joined our online classroom. It's free of charge. Cantonese Home promote education for all. We try to connect everyone who are interested in Cantonese learning to the community. Thank you.